I'm going to see Moana 2 along with Bree and Grace. Wait, why is my seatbelt, steering wheel, gear shift pedals and speedometer now blue? Oh well, time to put my seatbelt on. Let's go. What's up, Bree and Grace? I see you both now got different colored seatbelts, steering wheels, gear shift sticks and speedometers.
Oh hello Riley, and yup, we've now got different colored seatbelts, steering wheels, gear shift sticks and speedometers.
Yeah, we've just upgraded them to make it more unique and fancy.
Wow, that's great, girls. Anyways, I was wondering if we can go and see Moana 2 at the movie theaters together. How does that sound, girls?
Ooh, that sounds great.
Same here.
That's great, girls. What are we waiting for? Let's head off to the movie theaters to go and see Moana 2.
Okay.